little urban homestead, and welcome to Fabric Friday. Look bonus then. Just showing you recent makes. This is, I showed you how to join your binding, because this is my trial piece of quilting on the Q-zone hoop frame. Now, although it's very wide, what I'm going to do is cut it more or less in the middle, all the way down the long side, and then edge it, and I can then use it as a leader cloth. So my practice sheet will not go to waste. I have done more canny mats, 3 to be precise, and they're going on my Etsy shop. I've just got to trim all the connecting threads and iron off all the markings I make so I can quilt them. Also, you saw me making the carpenter star, and I did the half square triangles. I have finished that quilt. Let me put it up. It's big. It's 8-foot square quilt. So this is only a quarter of it. I'll show you a photograph of it now that I used to put on my Etsy shop. A lady from America has said that she wants it, so she sent some money through, and so I can now post this to her. So this is the last time I'll have it, as it's going to be sent off to her, which feels a bit like when your child grows up and leaves home. You're glad about it, but you're also sad about it. So I'm a bit like that with this. But the money she sent through means that I can do another fabric shop, buy a few other things that I need, thread and that, and put some money towards what I've used for buying this hoop frame. I just thought I'd show you. Really happy with that. Hope you will be, Irene. Bye.